negotiation is something that everybody needs to know. It's in every facet of our lives, whether it's professional or private. But in today's climate in particular, we're all trying to get that little extra edge. We're all trying to do a little bit better, whether it is with suppliers, whether it is with our own employees, whether it's with our supervisors. And I think this program allows you a set of skills, an individualized set of skills to try and achieve that goal.
The core themes of the program are about trying to create value, about trying to appropriate some of the value for yourself. It's about trying to influence other people to get them to see your point of view. It's about trying to resolve conflict and about trying to construct negotiating teams when you have a team negotiating with another team. The program is built on three pillars. It's built on what we consider to be cutting-edge research. The second pillar of the program is practice. You become a better negotiator by practicing. And the third pillar is about trying to understand yourself as a negotiator.
What we really want to do is to give you hands-on experience in negotiating in different types of situations, in different types of contexts. So what we do there is that we give you a role, we give somebody else a role, we say, please go prepare for these, and then we have you guys negotiate together. By throwing you into the deep end of the pool, hopefully you walk out being very comfortable and confident in negotiating in different types of contexts.
What this program does, which is very different from every other program out there, is that we give you feedback in real time. We have a trained group of facilitators who watch videotapes of you negotiating and give you feedback about your strengths, about your weaknesses, about how you come across in a negotiation. And that's pretty much unique. There's no other program like this in the market.
We use lots of different teaching methods on the program. We'll have some theory. We try to keep that simple. We try to keep that succinct. The rest of the time is really immersed in these role plays, which really allow you to simulate different types of negotiating contexts and negotiating experiences.
The program itself builds from simple dyadic negotiations where you are negotiating with another person one-on-one, either in a purely distributive situation, which is where one party's gain is another party's loss, or in a situation where you both are problem solving, trying to create value at the negotiating table. It moves on to more complex negotiations where you're trying to resolve conflict, where people have made claims and counterclaims and where negative emotions are involved. And then it moves on to multi-party negotiations where you have more than one party sitting at the table. And finally, it moves on to a group-on-group negotiation.
The program is aimed at senior managers generally. We try and recruit senior managers from all sorts of different industries, all sorts of different functions.
We have a wonderful mix of participants, people from different geographies with their own distinct cultures, people from different industries, people of different ages. What this does do for you is create a very vibrant class atmosphere, but it also gives you an opportunity to try out your skills, your negotiations with people from different backgrounds to yourself and add to your repertoire of negotiation skills. So what is it that you take away from the program? A systematic framework for negotiating, greater confidence in the negotiating process, a better understanding of yourself as a negotiator. What is it that works for you? What are those things that do not work for you? How do you build on your strengths? And how is it that you can somehow camouflage your weaknesses?